ikaw lang ang kilala ng clients? Do your clients insist on dealing only with you? Nangyayari talaga ito. Let me tell you about a couple na si Gerald naman at saka si Christine. They run a meat shop for 8 years. They supply many eateries to nearby towns. Pero si Gerald, hands-on sa bawat client. Yung mga client, kilala siya at they trusted him. When they needed to order, tawag lang sila sa kanya. Si Christine naman tried to handle some clients pero they insisted on talking to Gerald. So, tuntua si Gerald na feeling good siya nung una. Sabi niya, "See, Christine, they trust me." But then, later on, naging burdensome na. Hindi na siya makapagpahinga. He could not delegate because the clients would not accept anyone else. Kaya one time, nagka-flu si Gerald. And on the doctor's orders, he had to stay home and rest. So si Christine, wala siyang choice but to take over the operations. And just like before, yung clients nila kept asking for Gerald. Some even delayed their orders kasi gusto nila si Gerald talaga. And Gerald realized the problem. Yung negosyo niya walang brand. It had him. Siya yung brand. Kaya when he recovered, they made changes. They introduced their operations manager to all clients. They created a formal ordering system. No more personal calls to Gerald. They standardized pricing, delivery schedules, quality checks, at iba pa. At first, yung mga clients na iba nag-resist. Pero dahan-dahan nakapag-adjust din sila. And they realized that the service was still excellent. Kahit na wala na si Gerald na personally na nag-handle ng lahat ng bagay. Now, when Gerald is not available, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung negosyo nila. Dahil yung mga clients nagtatrust na sa company at hindi lang kay Gerald na may-ari. Anak, ang lesson ay ito. If clients only trust you, you will never be free. So build systems that they can trust, not personalities. Let's learn to be business-minded Pinoy.